different. As to where they are using ordinary service providers. But your district census officer has tried to supplement that the other record gets an opportunity instead of one person concentrating their resources somewhere. That is the reason that many of you at the first might be passing the wrong way. But consulting the other districts, you'll get the picture. I've brought this to you, and like RDC made mention, insurance service providers will provide the modest, I can say modest, meal that is befitting, not giving people a portion of the business. And we shall also be monitoring that, and we shall be at one time suspend your service provider. That also should be ready. Why? I think this is we take it. Why we are monitoring, like we want to agree. If a service provider find that the service is working, we shall suspend, because that will compromise our exercise. For people who are poor, they keep grumbling, they will not pay attention. In the class, they go normally. We need the portion that because portion that the gas to please test them. Let's run this through subcounty by subcounty, and then you confirm that that is really your service provider that you is going to offer. Based on the information submitted. The Kenya,